Hi, please take a seat. Welcome to IELTS Speaking Exam. My name is Shuizen, and I will be asking you some questions today. For marking purposes, I'm going to record this interview. Is that okay with you?
I'm okay, I'm cool.
Yeah, you should say you're okay because basically they are just doing public consent, no?
Yes.
So before we start, I'd like to ask you a couple of basic questions for the identification purposes.
Okay.
What's your full name?
My full name is Tokonjo, but you can call me Zach. It's my nickname.
Okay, do you have your passport with you?
Oh, yeah, I have my passport.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar. Uh, I was born and raised in Yangon.
Okay, here's the thing, this is a general question, so you don't need to give longer answer. Yeah, just
Okay,
basically make it short because I
okay,
don't give you any point for this thing. Why should you put a lot of effort, right? You don't need
yes,
to.
okay, okay,
Okay, so Akuma-san, I give you a question.
okay.
So there are three parts in the IELTS speaking exam, and I will give you the instruction before each part begins. Are you ready to start?
I'm ready.
Okay. Now, in the first part, I'd like to ask you some questions about your hometown or village.
Okay.
Do you come from a town or village?
I came from a large city in Myanmar, which is called Yangon, and it's a very vibrant and very crowded city. It's the commercial city of our country, Myanmar, and it has very beautiful things too. Yes,
Okay. What it is known for?
it is well known for trading and pagoda called Shwedagon Pagoda. It is well known all over the all over the continent, yeah, Asia, and everyone comes to Yangon for that reason to see the pagoda.
Okay. What problems does it face right now?
Currently, there are a lot of problems. The first thing is overpopulating, and the second thing is people are facing uh, the the threats of poverty. Yes, a lot of like two-thirds of Yangon's population are facing poverty right now.
Okay. Do you think it is a good place to live?
In my opinion, my personal opinion alone, I don't think it's a good place to live uh, currently. But in the future, I hope it becomes a more pleasant and more enjoyable place to live in.
Okay. Um, so let's now move on and talk about reading. Do you
Reading.
enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading a lot. Since I was young, I have been reading a lot of comics and a lot of no light novels until today. And in my leisure time too, I read a lot of books.
Okay. What kind of books do you usually read?
Normally, I read, like I said, comics and light novels. But if I have a chance, I would love to read some uh, well franchises of the famous art authors like Charles Dickens and stuff.
Okay. What was your favorite book when you were a child?
When I was a child, my favorite book was it's Marvel's comic called Thor: Love and Thunder. It was very colorful and very interesting comic book. It has a lot of great storytelling too.
Okay. Do you believe that it is important for children to read a lot?
I do think it's important for children to read a lot because it can make their knowledge uh, developing goes faster and they can absorb a lot of good things when they were young.
Okay. Let's change the topic and talk about fashion. What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
Um, I think it may be odd to you, but usually I wear clothes like emo fashion because my favorite artist is Playboy Cardi, so I sometimes inspire his type of fashion.
Okay. What's your favorite item of clothing?
My favorite item of clothing is a necklace, mostly platinum necklaces because it's shiny and cool to wear. Nothing special.
Okay. Do you think men and women have the same views on clothing?
I in the past, I don't think that that is true because they used to have a lot of um, contradicting ideas. But right now, everyone is equal and anyone can wear any kinds of clothes.
Okay. Do people from your country think fashion is important?
Mostly in urban areas like big cities, the people in those places think fashion is important, but in rural areas, they just wear what they feel comfortable.
Okay. So this is the end of part one. So
Yes.
like now you see that in part one, right? We covered three topics, like
Yes.
fashion, reading, and your hometown or village. Now,
Okay.
basically, so part one is everything is about you. No? So there are just familiar topics like about reading, fashion, perfume, music, ch your childhood, your
Yes.
relative, your friends, and such kind of things. So like exam now will cover three topics, and then exam now will ask like based on your answer, exam now will ask like 2 to 4 questions each in
Yes.
topic, you know. So like you don't control that time. Exam now will control that time. So basically you have to give.
Yes.
Am I lagging? Okay. Um, lagging ဖြစ်နေသလား Okay,
မဖြစ်ဘူးရှင့်
you are lagging, not me.
Oh,
Red
really?
card ဖြစ်နေတယ်
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, yeah. That's all about part one.
Okay.
Part one is everything is about you.
Okay.
These all topics are familiar to you also.
Okay.
နော်အဲ့တော့ကိုယ့်အကြောင်းပဲကိုပြောနေရတာကွာသိလားပြောတဲ့ဟာကြီးอ่ะသိရမလား
Okay.
What's your dream လို့သိရမလားဒါမှမဟုတ် do you like coffee or do you like tea or သိရမလား do you like cooking လို့ဟာမျိုးသိရမလား how often do you listen to the music တို့သိရမလား
Yes.
အဲ့လိုမျိုးတွေ is every single thing is about you that's part one
Okay.
နော်အဲ့ကိုယ့်အကြောင်းကိုဖြေရတဲ့အချိန်မှာstart ဖြစ်လို့မရဘူးပေါ့